Today we're going to talk about how to put an image into your comic book. So the first thing you're going to make sure you've done is that you've uploaded the pictures you're going to use into your Google Drive. So I'm going to start with Insert, click on that, hover over Image, move my mouse over Drive and click on that. And I'm going to click on the tab My Drive and find my Spring Break folder. And this is the picture I'm going to use. There's two ways you can insert it. You can click on it and click insert, or you can click, hold, and drag. Okay, I'm going to click X to get out of it. So you can see this image is way too big for the box in the corner there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize it. When you resize an image without changing it or making it look funny, you're going to do just the corner boxes. If you do this one, it's going to smush it this way, or if you do this one, it's going to squish it up this way. So you want to get this corner, click, hold, and drag. So now you can see, okay, it's about the size of the box, still too long. So let's say now I have to think, okay, what is my focus point? It's this part, it's the traffic I want to capture. So now I'm going to crop my picture. And how you do that is you're going to double click, and then the borders are going to change to the color black and have these frames around it. That's going to show you that you can now crop it. So what you're going to do is click the edge, hold it, and drag it until it's the size that you want. I'm going to click off the picture, then move it over to see if that was the right size. No, it's still too far down. So what I'm going to do is double click it again, and now cut from the top, click, hold, and drag, and see if that didn't help. That's just about right. Click, double click again, click, hold, and drag. Oops, that dragged the picture. Always click undo. That is your friend if you make a mistake. And right there, click off the picture, and that's almost right. So now what I'm going to do is, now that I've resized it and cropped it, I'm going to add a border. So I'm going to go up to Format, click on that border and lines, and hover over to border color. I'm going to choose dark gray 3. Then I'm going to go back, same thing, Format, border and lines, and then go down to the border weight. That's how thick it's going to be, and I'm going to select 3. So now you can see there's a frame, but this speech bubble and there was a text caption bubble is hidden behind it. So now I have to send this picture back. So I'm going to click on it and go to Arrange, Order, Send Back. So now you see all the things that were hiding are now showing. So you're going to click on the gray box and select Delete, and then you can see, okay, now you have just the picture there. You can adjust your caption box so that's smaller, or you can put it on the bottom. You can type, traffic was crazy. That's to describe your reader, what's going on, and part of your story. You can have speech bubbles. You can click, hold, and drag. Let's arrange the speech bubble, click, hold, and drag. So maybe that's your car and you're saying, are we there yet? And that's how you add dialogue and change it. Let's say you want more of the bubbles, but you only have 2 speech bubbles. You can always click it, right click, copy, then click somewhere where you want it, right click, paste. And then you just click, hold, and drag where you want that box.